they wouldn't be very nice.
Now, all these places like San Francisco, you know what that means,
Yeah.
and Santa Barbara, and
Yeah.
San Clemente,
All
and
the San-
San Bernardino. What's Santa Fe?
Oh, that's good. Santa Fe. Ah, I know it. I happen to know this. I don't know what Santa Fe is.
Jim must know.
Do you know?
It means Saint Fe.
Yeah.
Just slipped my mind. Santa Fe. I'm going to be embarrassed for not knowing.
My brother knows.
No, I don't.
Oh, no, right? Well, then I stick with my Norwegian story.
It means Saint Fe, and I'll have to defer. I'm not exactly.
All right, well, we'll let you slide.
We won't embarrass you.
Oh, well, you've already done that.
We've already done
That's
that.
my own fault. I apologize.
Jeez, Jim, I was giving you an opportunity to shine here. I figured everyone in Santa Fe is going to know.
No.
It's an unusual name.
No, it's a fairly common name in the Hispanic cultures up in Mexico, Spain, and stuff. It's a very common name. It means Saint Fe.
Saint
Oh,
Fe.
really?
I believe that.
I believe it.
And it is a very, very beautiful place to
Yes,
live.
I've been there.
Notwithstanding the cost of living.
Yeah.
It's lovely. Yes, we could barely afford to drive through.
Well, I wish you guys would come out and open up an automotive shop
stand.
out there. I'd
Oh,
use
that's
the
good.
help.
Well, thanks for calling, Jim.
Yeah.
What's up? What's on your mind?
Well, listen, I have kind of a it's a billing question.
Service department, not the showroom. You'd get motion sickness.
Yeah.
And these guys are trained. They're factory trained to travel at .997 the speed of light. Needless to say, I mean, they're keeping time at a different rate. I mean, you know, their hours went by like weeks. I mean, they really worked on your car for 3.5 weeks.
Well, I guess my concern was did the work actually get done?
No.
Quite a list on
Do these numbers?
Oh, shoot! Ah. Gotta be ready to go after those.
Revving up the random walk.
I was on film, I had to make that.
Can't believe I missed that.
You're on film, see?
You were pretty good at hitting those.
We have a record if you make a mistake.
4, is it? 5
Five
up.
up.
Sorry.
Yes.
Is
Yes,
that it?
sir.
I will jump later.
10, sir.
5 up.
Get out, yeah.
I thought it was.
You're going to tell me I missed that.
Keep doing that.
Okay.
Need a bigger court.
Oops. Yikes. I like that look you get on your face. Uh-oh. Color of look.
5-9. Out.
I was out.
Be trio, but I was there.